Hi, this is Lita Coppola, and welcome to the Film Critic. And today I'm going to review a movie called Withnail and I, a movie from 1986, directed by Bruce Johnson, and the film stars Richard E. Grant, Paul McGran, um, and Richard Griffiths. The film's about these two unemployed actors in London, um, in the late 1960s, and they basically go on a English holiday in the state of uh, of uh, of the uncle named Uncle Monty, and they go on the English they go on a holiday in the English countryside of the state of one of the actors uncles. Uh, This movie I saw for the first time yesterday. It is incredible. I thought it was very humor, typical English film. Uh, it's a very uh, funny, good movie. Um, uh, Richard E. Grant plays Nathaniel, and Paul McGran plays I, and Richard Griffiths plays Uncle Monty. So Nathaniel and I, they share a flat together in London, and they're two actors basically struggling to get by, and they decided to go somewhere for the weekend. So they go to Nathaniel's uncle's Uncle Monty's uh, estate to spend in the countryside, and they basically spend this adventurous weekend over there, and everything about this film was so great. I loved our Bruce Robinson directing was really great and fun, and Richard E. Grant steals the show. He is just funny, and you know, he will go on to star in Spice World, which I own, but this was before that, and Paul McGran was very cute as the actor opposite Nathaniel, and basically, my favorite part of the movie is when they're in the car and they go to the English countryside, and I remember Jimi Hendrix playing in the background, and it was along the Watchtower, and so many great Hendrix songs featured in this movie, and it's set in the '60s, so obviously they're gonna play stuff from that era, and it's just very humor. It's an entertaining film. If as I'm an actor myself, so when I watch movies like this, I study, and it's a great film, and it's from the Criterion Collection, so they have great movies and content. If you're a fan of films and underrated movies in general, and it's such a great British um, drama and comedy, and it's really fun to watch. And yeah, it's great. I give this movie an A+ because it is a terrific casting, and it's the one that you should look upon. It's very hard to find type of movies, but it's a cult classic, and it's I highly recommend it. So that's it for my movie review on The Film Critic. For more, please write a comment below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you on the next Film Critic. Take care.